Hi everybody, I'm Mohan Raj. Let's know about Hogeneckal in this video. Before go to the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you see this video in Facebook page or Instagram, don't forget to follow.
This is a very famous tourist spot, Hogeneckal, which is in Dharmapuri district in India, Tamil Nadu state. Many waterfalls are here. In the entering place of River Kaveri into Tamil Nadu, there are many rocks. And the river comes through this rocky area, thus it creates many waterfalls in this area. In Kannada language, Hogeneckal means smoky rocks. In this area, the river water when splashed on the rocks, it looks like smoke comes out from the rocks due to the gushing force of water. Thus, this area may get this name. In Sangam period, which is 2000 years back, the Hogeneckal called as Thalai Neer, which means principal water. We get this information from Tamil ancient poem Purananuru. In Purananuru, the woman poet Abbayar, she praising Tagadur king Adiyaman, currently Tagadur called as Dharmapuri. In the poem, she writes Malai Alar Aniyum Thalai Neer Nadan. Here, the word Thalai Neer denotes the Hogeneckal. In another view, the word Hogeneckal derived from Hugunir Kal. The word becomes as Hogeneckal in later days. In Tamil, Hugudal means scattering. Here, water is scattered by rock, thus it may get this name. Main waterfalls. 5 waterfalls are some waterfalls names which are here. Many tourists are coming here, not only local, from many other places too. Oil massage, bathing in waterfalls, riding in a coracle, homemade type of fish gravy food and many more are attracting the tourists here. For this reason, tourists are coming here in high numbers. Here the rocks are in various shapes due to erosion of river water. Here, the water is in the stagnant condition. The reason is dam, which is in Mettur. While the water level is low in the reservoir, we can see the water flow, and water is in stagnant condition while water level high in the reservoir. It looks like Niagara and it makes great awesome in our eyes.